Tangyuan Crypto? Let me guess. You heard the name, thought it sounded like a dessert, and now you're wondering if it's a sweet deal or a recipe for disaster. Fair enough. Let's unwrap it. First off, Tangyuan is not a dessert here. It's a decentralized finance, DeFi platform. Its goal? To take the traditional ideas of community and liquidity pooling to a whole new level. It's big on culture, too, tying its name to the round, sweet rice balls that symbolize unity in Chinese culture. Here's the pitch. Tangyuan Crypto wants to combine DeFi with community-driven governance. They make it sound like a potluck. Everyone throws in their liquidity, and everyone gets a share of the rewards. Sounds tasty, right? But don't glaze over the risks. The platform leans heavily on staking and yield farming. You lock up your tokens in their smart contracts, and in return you earn interest or governance tokens. Think of it like planting seeds, only some crops fail, and that's the catch. One of the big pain points in DeFi is impermanent loss. Let's say you stake in a liquidity pool with Tangyuan. If the token's value swings too far in any direction, you could lose out when it's time to withdraw. Not so comforting. Then there's the potential for rug pulls. Welcome to the wild world of crypto. Smaller, newer platforms are particularly vulnerable to developers draining the liquidity pool and running off with the funds. Tangyuan claims transparency, but don't just take their word for it. Pro tip: check if the Tangyuan smart contracts are audited. Seriously, this is non-negotiable in the world of crypto. An audit won't make it risk-free, but it's like having a restaurant inspection before you eat the food. At its core, Tangyuan is banking on its unique branding as a community-oriented token to stand out. But ask yourself this: do you care more about the story behind the token or the technology underpinning it? Because one might have more substance. Another thing, liquidity tokens. Tangyuan rewards you with their native governance token, but what good is it? Can you trade it on major exchanges? Does it actually give you voting power? Look for platforms with a proven track record. Speaking of governance, it's a buzzword that gets thrown around a lot. Most people don't even vote when they have governance tokens. It's like owning stock and forgetting it in the drawer. Just know what you're signing up for. If you're tempted, start small, like really small. Crypto investing can feel like gambling because honestly, it kind of is. Diversify and don't let the Tangyuan hype distract you from other projects with a better track record. To wrap it up, Tangyuan Crypto might look like a sweet deal served on a silver platter, but don't forget the hidden costs. Dive into the white paper and smart contract audits before letting FOMO take over. You've been warned.